Here it is, the Sig Sauer P322 Romeo Elite. So it is set up to put a suppressor on it. It comes with a threaded adapter. It does also come with a curved trigger. The Romeo Elite red dot 4-inch barrel, little barrel flag, and then two 20-round magazines come with it. I went ahead and grabbed a aftermarket 25-round magazine as well. But we're going to get into this thing. It has all your typical controls. You have your frame safety, slide lock, takedown. Nice trigger. It's got a pretty decent mag eject. I'm particular to, ambi mag ejects just because of how I operate a pistol, and I'm kind of ambidextrous in a way. But it also has suppressor height sights. Anything else? It has the new style of stippling that's on a lot of the new polymer pistols. It's pretty nice. I don't know what it's called, but it holds up well. Gives good real estate on there. Like, it feels firm in the hand. Nice tilt on the grip. Nice grip angle. The trigger itself is a little spongy for me, but with the 22 and the minimum recoil, I don't think it's gonna be a big deal. All right, so since we went over that, let's go ahead and get shooting. See how she shoots. So here we have it. Just another volunteer day out at Red Cliffs Rifle and Pistol Range. But today we're going to be testing out the Sig P322 22 long rifle. So 21-round magazines, 25-round mag, 20-round mag. I'm going to blow through some rounds, really get to feel that trigger, see how accurate it is. Red dot's already zeroed in, so we should be pretty spot on. And just so everybody's aware, there's nobody behind this camera, so don't be worried.
The first thing that caught my attention was how long the reset on that trigger really is. After about 100 rounds, the red dot came loose just enough to cause a battery malfunction. I was expecting some feed issues with this specific pistol since the barrel is pinned to the frame and doesn't tilt, giving better access from the magazine to the feed ramp. But it cycles just fine, as you can see. Although it does make it interesting when taking it apart, since it's pinned to the frame, you have to take the slide off backwards.
For speed shooting, that wasn't even that fast. Pretty spot on with all the steel. We got varying ranges from 8 yards to 12 to 18. Larger steel and also the 10-inch rounds. So as you go through, the red dot on the Romeo Zero is a little bit bouncy when reacquiring and things like that. But everything else is pretty smooth. It has a little bit more recoil than I would have expected from a 22 long rifle pistol, but it is a pistol. So other than that, we're going to keep on shooting. I'm going to go through a couple of things, see if I can get a little bit more comfortable with it and get a little bit more accurate. All right, so now we're gonna be doing just a single shot, mag drop, load, 3 shots. So it's just drop, but also slides back. So you have to bring the slide into battery, fire, drop the mag, load, fire, fire, fire. All right, we're gonna do that one again. So single shot, mag drop, 3 shots, all in that steel right there. So if only I had a shot timer, it'll be here tomorrow. You know, gotta do with what you can do. You know, if you don't have something yet, just keep on training until you get it. Just a slight alteration to the last one. We're gonna do 3 shots, mag drop, 1 shot. So just a little bit different, but it develops your cadence because you're used to doing the 1 shot, then the 3 shots. You got to get off 3 shots, mag drop. Just a little bit variation, get your mind working.
By this point, the pistol's probably pretty dirty by how many rounds I'd shot through it, so that's probably the reason for the no lock back on the last round.
That one didn't work out too well. Apparently, it didn't lock back after the 3 shots. So, happens. All right, this one requires 2 mag drops. So the first one's going to be 1 shot, mag drop, boom, boom, 2 shots, mag drop, boom, 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 3 shots. And we're done. At this point, we're just keeping the mind guessing, but you know, we're gonna do 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So just to throw my mind off. You know, you never know. Keep the mind sharp.
you have it, the Sig P322 22 long rifle. A full-size pistol with a compact feel. I don't know other way to put it, but really fun pistol to shoot. It was pretty dirty by the time I got done, about 500 rounds through it. It started to malfunction a little bit more, so definitely those 22s are a little bit more dirty than most rounds, so keep her clean. Stay frosty.